Hi dear students, most welcome to an interesting class, or we can say math class. I'm sure that you love math and you enjoy when you're doing the problems of math. First of all, as usual, I have a question from you. Who can answer it? All of you. Yes. Did you do the problems related to mixed operations? Yes, I'm sure that you did. What was your previous lesson? Problems related to the mixed operation. What do you think? What is our today's lesson? Yes, you are right. We are going to study factorization of natural numbers. In order to understand this title, we study the what? Factors of a natural number first. Factors of a natural number, and it shows natural number, yeah? A factor of a natural number is a number. That is what? A number that divides, remember this, that divides the given natural number. That divides the given natural number. Example is in here. 10 can divide 1. 10 can divide 1. 10 divided by 1 is how much? 10. 10 divided by 2 is how much? 5. That divides the given natural number with, this is very important, with 0 remainder. It means remainder should not be 1. Remainder should not be 4. It should be 0. Okay, for example, factors of 10 are, 1, 2, 5, and 10. Why 1, 2, 5, and 10 are factors of 10? Because if I divide 10 by what? For example, 2. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. What is remainder? It is 0. Now you know factors of a natural number. If I tell you what are the factors of, for example, 6, you say 1, 2, and 3, and 6. Okay? It means there are a specific number of factors. Now we are going to study multiples of n, multiples of natural number. A multiple of a natural number is again a number. A number that the given number, I give you these numbers. Okay? That the given number divides it. It is inverse of factors. 10 does not divide 20, but 20 divides 10. That the given number divides it with 0 remainder. For example, multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30. Why? Because these number can divide 10. For example, if I divide 20 by 10, how much is 20 by 10? It is 2. How much is 0? How much is remainder? 0. Excellent. Now you know multiples of natural number. How many multiples of a number is available? There are infinity number. It means the number are not clear. Prime number. Now I teach you prime number. What is prime number? Prime number is a natural number that has only 2 factors. Repeat after me. Only 2 factors. Prime number is a natural number that has only 2 factors. What are them? 1 and itself. 1 and itself. How? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 17 and others are prime number. 2 is the only even number which is prime. Okay, why this is prime? Because we can write 2. 2 is equal to what? 1 and 2. Because the only factors of 2 are 2 things, 2 numbers. 1 and itself. Okay, dear students, now we are going to start to understand composite numbers. You studied prime number and you remember that. Now, what is the difference between prime number and composite number? We understand. Composite number is a natural number that has more than 2 factors. In prime number, how many factors do we have? 2 factors. But in composite number, we have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. For example, 4. I can write the factors of 4. 1, what is next? 2, what is next? 4. You see that we have more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 3. How many factors do we have? 3. We can have 4, 5, 6, and so on. This is called composite number. Okay, let me ask you a question. What is 1? 1 is a prime number? 1 is a composite number? Okay, what is that? 1 is not prime and not composite. Okay, let me tell you about prime factors. You know now factors. What is prime factors? Prime factors are the factors that are prime. Very simple. Example, prime factors of 12. Find prime factors of 12. We write factors of 12. What are factors of 12? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. What is the lesson? Prime factors are the factors that are prime. In here, can you tell me what are primes? 2 and 3 are primes. It means that how many prime factors do we have in 12? Only 2. And the last, prime factorization. Repeat after me. Factorization. Yes. Prime factorization is writing a natural number as a product of its prime factors. It means we have to find the prime factors and multiply them. Here is an example for you. Find the prime factorization of 20. Find the prime factorization of 20. What was the prime factorization? It means product of its prime factor. Okay, 20. I analysis 20. 20 is divided by 2. It is 10. 10 divided by 2. It is 5. 5 divided by 5. It is 1. These are the prime factorization. 20 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 multiply 5. We will have more examples of prime factorization in the next session. And wait for that. Next class, I hope that you answer me all points that you studied, definitions with example. Best of luck. See you soon, inshallah.